Hello, this is Ricardo, owner of Elite HVAC Contractors, and today we will see what Elite HVAC Contractors is all about and who makes a good fit for our company. We do work in the Bell Valley area, all the way from Gypsum to Bell, Colorado. Specializing in the installation of mini-split ductless systems, there's three types of situations that we can help you with. The first one being, let's say that you already have a cooling system in your home, but you have a room that's not keeping up, it's not comfortable, we can help you there. We go ahead and do a one-to-one install. That means one indoor unit and one compressor just for that room so they can stay comfortable. That starting price point can change by several different factors. It can change if you want us to do the electrical, drywall, if there's any painting of the line height involved, that changes the price. No matter what options you choose to go with a one-to-one, we will always take care of you. So let's say you're building an addition to your home. When you build an addition, it might be tempting to just extend your current ductwork system, but we found out that that's not a good experience all the time because your original ductwork was designed to keep you comfortable in your current situation, but you will be taken away from the available cooling capacity for your current system. A mini-split ductless system is the perfect solution, and the most common type of installation we do in a new additions would be a 3-to-1 system. Not only can you create different comfort zones, they're eco-friendly and they're easy to install. That price can change depending on how many rooms you have, how big those rooms are, but we will always take care of you. The last group of people that were a great match are people that already have a home, and for some reason their home doesn't have any ductwork or any furnaces, air vents in their home. Mini-split ductless installation is the perfect solution because it doesn't require to change their structure inside their home. They don't have to build chases, and we can keep them cool and comfortable pretty quick. The price range for this type of project, we see the most common 5 indoor units, 5 comfort zones. With 2 condensers, you're looking at a starting point of $50,000. We do all the work and you don't have to do any modifications to your home. If you have any more questions or concerns, feel free to go to our social media pages. We are constantly uploading content, answering common questions, or if you'd rather have a conversation with me directly, go over to our website, fill out a contact information form, and I'll get in touch.